Hello again. Welcome to another edition of Small Caps. I'm Peter Capsanis. Well, Perth-based Peppermint Innovation Limited has gone beyond the world of mobile banking, logistics and payment platforms and has entered the world of AI. The company, which operates mainly in the Philippines, has acquired two business divisions from fellow ASX-listed entity XPON Technologies, and it seems the move has already paid off. This week, Peppermint announced that Peppermint Intelligence Limited, or PINT as it's referred to, had secured several key new contracts with world-renowned organisations. This follows the acquisition of the AI and CX business units from XPON for the princely sum, wait for it, for the princely sum of £1 back in early December 2023. Since then, the PINT business division has secured contracts worth more than $500,000. Peppermint's CEO, Chris Kain, joins me on the line to talk about the new acquisitions and the subsequent contract wins. Chris, good to have you back on the show.
Thanks, Peter. It's good to be speaking to you and your small caps audience. Our PINT business has certainly had a few excellent months since we acquired the AI and CX business units in early December last year. They've managed to extend their existing 9-year working relationships with globally recognised brands such as Amnesty International, where they're creating unique user experiences or customer experiences and really driving audience engagement. During the last 2.5 months, PINT has also had major contract wins with existing clients such as Informer Connect, World Television and Action Against Hunger, which are doing specific work fundamentally for, again, customer engagement, customer experience, using AI tools to enhance that. These combined contracts, will add more than $525,000 to Peppermint's gross revenue over the coming months, with revenues being recognised monthly as work is delivered on these contracts. We are pretty much excited by what we can do with this business and the opportunity to continue to earn from existing contracted parties with new contracts that they're looking as though they may engage with over the next sort of 6 to 12 months.
Okay, so PINT, not PINT as I said, so apologies for that. PINT has clearly proven to be an early success story for you since acquiring it last year or late last year. But how does it fit into the overall strategy, the business plan? You've gone from, mobile banking, payment, remittance, logistics, e-commerce, finance, technology, now AI. How does it all fit?
Well, look, that's a great question. We believe that artificial intelligence is the single most important technology megatrend of our generation. And Peppermint has a clear roadmap to become the most advanced AI-powered lender in the Philippines. By acquiring this established and proven team, Peppermint has been able to leapfrog years of development and building similar capabilities, methodologies, frameworks and outputs from scratch to focus sharply on the company's business going forward. Since acquiring the two business units, we've been building and integrating our new AI CX capabilities across our existing technological delivery capabilities, as well as securing new contracts. We've also been using PINT's team capabilities to undertake AI enhancement and optimization of our Bismoto platform, which is key for us, as well as as well as assisting one of our cooperative clients to deliver a technical enhancement to their platform, all without having to engage a third-party service provider.
Yep.
Another great example of PINT is developing a groundbreaking AI-driven platform for a client that is aimed at matching and monetizing people's skills and experience with those needing help. I can't go into specifics because the project is confidential, but what I can say is the PINT team have built the initial concept and are now developing further the platform, which fully automates the end-to-end journey and the customer engagement or experience. This is really key for us when we deliver our Bismoto platform and our white label EMI services to our cooperative partners in the Philippines, because customer engagement and user journey and using tools and AI-based tools that can enhance that as much as possible to keep the customers engaged using our platform is very, very key and a significant way for us to grow revenue over the short term.
Yeah, and I would imagine that the AI platform would also consolidate and complement the data capturing part of your business. So this all sounds good in principle, Chris, and you've certainly delivered, by the sounds of it, some early revenue wins. So what's the actual forecast market size look like from an AI delivery perspective?
Yeah, look, forecasts are always just that, just forecasts. But, what I can say is that one of the leading analysts for Goldman Sachs in Europe are forecasting that the global economy is moving into a new phenomenon called a super cycle, a term that we're used to here in WA particularly because it used to be the mining super cycle. But the two key drivers for global economy going forward to create this super cycle are based on artificial intelligence and decarbonisation. In fact, research published by Statista Market Insights showed that AI services in 2023 were circa 365 billion Australian dollars, looking to increase to 426 billion this year in 2024. The AI market share in the UK alone was around 15 billion. So AI services alone are certainly forecasting huge global revenues. At Peppermint, we're 100% focused on being the most advanced AI-powered lender in the Philippines. And when you lay over the size of that AI market onto our traditional digital payments platform and the digital payments market, size of which we've discussed before, our opportunity to participate in a massive global market worth hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars, we are right at the forefront of that.
All right. Well, one final note, Chris, before I do let you go. I've got just last week you announced a successful placement of just over $1 million to sophisticated and professional investors. What are the funds going to be used for, and what was the appetite in the investment community for your cap raise?
Yeah, firstly, I can say that there was a strong level of support amongst sophisticated and professional investors from the CPS Capital Group, who are the lead manager and broker. And we're really positive on the engagement with CPS. Jason Peterson, who is the managing director of CPS, has been a shareholder in Peppermint for well over 12 months and understands the journey we've been on. So to engage further with the wider CPS group and have them coming along as a strategic investment partner now is a significant boost for the company. And CPS are really positive, specifically and especially around our proposition in the AI space. In terms of what the funds are going to be used for, it's really about growing our Bismo loan offering and looking to capitalise on a significant amount of opportunity that exists in the artificial intelligence and customer experience offering, both for PINT in the UK and how we apply those tools and expertise from PINT and their team to our Bismoto platform to really drive our business forward in the Philippines.
All right, Chris. Well, it sounds like you've had a busy few months and there was no rest for you over the Christmas New Year break, evidently. Looks like your business strategy is really starting to deliver, so well done on that. Look, definitely look forward to catching up in the next few months ahead and to check in your latest developments. But in the meantime, thanks for taking the time out to join us on Small Caps today.
Thanks, Peter.